How to create your own effect on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To create your own effect on TikTok, you can go ahead and search for effecthouse.tiktok.com or just search for TikTok Effect House. Now, in here at the top, you will see the download button. You can easily download this Effect House in your device and you can start designing. Effect House is like a playground for all of you AR creators, in which you can design and build your AR effect using the Effect House tools. You can share it with the TikTok community. The users can interact with the effect and you can also get some of the feedbacks. Now before it was only available for the Mac or the iOS user, but now it is suitable for your Windows or Android devices as well. So if you want to create your very own TikTok effect, go ahead and download this Effect House right now. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.